Myntri kena aja ke Sorkar kemiu Dei Peit ketenat Minority Affairs hak arpoi tere kujelio aja arpuar ulong babun na kijat nyam ritpa ya ke jela meglaya Jingtip shapang ki skim Sorkar beper balap ke Sorkar kemi ulong babun na kini kijat nyam ki penyaj ki skul ber ki jaka sumar hindre kim shimpat eka kabu banyo eka jimentoy namar ba Jingtip shapang kini ki skim kumta ulawan kenang ban yekendu ban kintu yakini ki jat nyam ban pha ki jingtrwa jong ki chaka Sorkar jala khnang bakin yo ki jingmentoy repair.
Today I came to know many schemes are not implemented here. That's why I request to government to let us, if you want, public has blessed you and choice a leader for state, and let us central scheme should be implemented here. Then the public of state will get the benefit from the state. That is my mission. That's why I came. And there is no awareness of central scheme. Many schemes they are not getting here. Central scheme are not getting. That's why they are not facilitated. So I request the government, Meghalaya, we have to unite it and we have to collaboration, state and central, and we can do many things for the people. And in our ministry also, in minority ministry, there are many things to do. We can make a resident school, hospitals, and health centers, and community hall, and many women's facilities, boys hostel, girls hostel, smart classroom, and many other things we can do from our ministry. But the state will give a proposal to the central, and we are ready to. If they come 1 feet, we will go 2 feet for development for Meghalaya.